Hello guys. This is my new LEGO City update. First of all, I got new train. And I bought it because it was pretty cheap. And here is my LEGO mall that I made. There is bar. And I made these cool electric poles. And here is just a police station. I also made little construction site. I would need a tower crane, but I don't know where to buy it. And here is just all kinds of materials. This is just a cafe place that I made. And here is my little forest area. And here is little illegal laboratory hidden into the forest. I will be adding road for a transportation. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and consider subscribing.